Salesforce, a leading customer relationship management platform, excels through its multi-layer architecture, enabling custom app and component development. This architecture's efficiency is pivotal for delivering tailored services to users, partners, and employees. Salesforce architecture is a multi-layer system. At the top is the user layer, followed by Salesforce clouds like Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. Beneath these, platforms such as Force.com and Heroku provide robust development environments. This structure supports efficient customer relationship management solutions and custom app development, crucial for Salesforce's adaptability and scalability. Key Salesforce architecture terminologies include app, instance, superpod, org, and sandbox. An app visually collects elements, while an instance is the user-facing software configuration. Superpod ensures service isolation, and Sandbox allows testing with sample data. Org represents a specific customer environment, customizable for security and sharing settings. Salesforce's core architecture is structured in layers, each with unique features. The multi-tenant layer enables shared applications among clients, ensuring data isolation and cost efficiency. Metadata and application programming interface layers enhance data management and application development, providing robust tools for developers to customize and integrate applications seamlessly. Multi-tenancy in Salesforce allows multiple clients to share the same server while keeping their data isolated, ensuring security and cost-effectiveness. This architecture simplifies updates as changes are made once and applied across all clients, enhancing resource efficiency. It supports seamless application sharing and development, making it a cornerstone of Salesforce's robust architecture. Metadata in Salesforce stores both data and its description in a shared database, enhancing security and productivity. Tenant-specific metadata ensures data isolation, crucial for protecting sensitive information in shared environments. This model not only safeguards data, but also boosts developer efficiency by allowing seamless updates and modifications across the platform. Salesforce application programming interfaces empower developers to create and modify applications, facilitating seamless data exchange and app connectivity. They support various programming languages, offering flexibility in app development. This enables developers to customize Salesforce applications, enhancing functionality and integration across platforms. Salesforce's architecture, with its multi-layer structure, supports efficient customer relationship management solutions and app development. This architecture enhances functionality and security, making it crucial for developers and information technology professionals to understand its components. Mastery of these elements ensures optimized use of Salesforce's capabilities, driving innovation and efficiency in customer relationship management and app development.